series of a Ford Edge 2008. New part mass is clicking. So when you start the car, it won't start, but the lights come on. And then there was a sound coming from the bottom. So actually the cooling system, the water, when you switch off your car and then you see the dripping water was now coming out. So you see all that is wet. I just pulled off the carpet, and so it was stuck in there. I don't know what I was doing it. I drained it, as you can see. This is like in the middle section. This is the pipe. I drained it, and if you can see, all this water came from there. So I'm gonna try and start it now, see if it's gonna start. It's not starting, so I'll leave it for now. See what happens. Alright guys, so the problem was the car wouldn't start. The dash lights came on, everything just crazy. But the car wouldn't come on, and the PCM, that's the computer of the car, is not connecting. So when you see that happening, it means there's not a good connection between the computer and your dash, or there is like grounding issues. So in my case, like I told you, the system here was not getting the water out, so I had to remove this and empty the water into the bucket, and then I left it overnight to dry. As you can see now, it's dry. It's much more dry. This side is practically dry, this other side is not. I use my seat belt to hold it up, but if I had a bungee cord, the better. So I let it dry through the night, emptied the water, you know. So I think what's causing the problem is because there's water. See it's like, I think the wire is going down under the car, so the water was making the car not to start. But now it's dry, so let's do a test and see. I left it up last night at Publix. That's where it broke down. So let's see, 12 hours later, see how it is. Okay, so AC just switched on. Alright, let's see if it's gonna start. And there we go. So the car is good now. It's starting, it's working fine. Let's do that one more time. That's good. Yeah, so in order to prevent mold from going into the car, I have some enzymes here. So this basically just kills mold. I'll spray it to the carpet. What this does, it kills mold and mildew. Because this was wet, I don't want any mold.